Put down the phone. Matthew? What are we going to do? Matthew's almost as tall as I am.
You're as tall as you are.
He can't stand in front of us anymore. Ready? 1, 2, 3. At this time of year, we just like to thank you. All right, please, guys, don't laugh. I'm having a hard time here. Hi, everyone. We just want to take this opportunity at this time of the year. Oh, my goodness. Okay, move back over this way. All right. We just want to take this opportunity at this time. All right. Thank you to all our friends, our clients, our family, and everyone we met along the way. We just want to wish each and every one of you Happy Thanksgiving!